Oh, nag-aalala ako. Kasi nung nagbuntis ako kay Jai, ganito ako, nagkasakit, laging masakit ang ulo, parang nasusuka, ganyan. Tapos ito, magtitest ako, pregnancy test.
Kaya.
Hindi ko mabuntis. Kasi napakaligalig na nito, hindi na nga ako na magkanda o gagas sa kulit na itong batang to. What do you think? Negative. Hi guys! Ilang araw na ako may sakit. What the heck? Annual leave to. Ngayon, nakahiga na naman ako kasi antok na antok ako. Tawag dito. Yung iba talaga yung pakiramdam. Basta, super, parang gusto mong kumain lagi, ganyan-ganyan. Gusto mong, yung pag ano ka, yung hindi ka makatulog, super init na parang yung katawan mo. Grabe, as in, super init talaga. Para kang sinisilaban, parang may fire sa loob ng katawan mo. Ganon. Ay, nako. So, ngayon, alas 9, 15 past 9. Pupunta ako ng gym. Tapos, doon na lang mag-breakfast sa cafe doon. Kasi as in talaga, kailangan kong labanan yung sarili ko. Kasi, yung, alam mo yung parang feeling kong may sakit ako lagi. Ganon. Pero may sakit talaga ako. Kaya lang, alam ko mo okay na. Kaya lang parang super latang-lata yung aking katawan. Ganyan-ganyan. Ay, nako, lalabanan natin to. Kasi talaga guys, nasa stage naman talaga na ako na mag-menopause. And alam ko yan, kasi labanan natin yan, katawan na yan. So, kaya tara, samahan nyo ako dun sa gym. Grabe guys. Super, ang sama talaga ng katawan ko. Yung parang, super weak talaga ako. Pinipili ko na talaga gumalaw. Kasi, kailangan natin gumalaw po siya. 46 pa lang tayo. Because I've been delayed. I'm not getting any period for I don't know how many weeks now. So I did a pregnancy test and I'm happy that it came up. What do you think? Negative. So that's why now I'm gonna go to the gym because I was really feeling ill and being nauseous and stuff. So yeah, ayan, tingnan natin. Gusto nating labanan yung ating pagiging tamad. Parang nagiging tamad na tayo pag ganitong mga edad eh. Kaya eto, labanan natin siya. Tara, punta tayo ng gym. Ayan. Ang laki ng aking bago. I got this gym bag. I had this for a long, long time. See? Where did I get this one? I bought it from, I can't remember. I think, Rebel or something? Yeah. But I had this over 20 years, I think. It's still alive. Look at that. It's actually Nike. Or Nike, whatever you prefer to pronounce it. Yeah. See that? Tick. Just do it. That's what it says. Let's do it. Let's go to the gym. Ready na! Alright, let's go guys. Hanap na sa kaya yung aking hat. Kasi malamig. So, nandito na tayo guys sa gym. As you can see, maraming lamig dito dyan. Pero mag-warm up pa. That's me. So, mag-warm up tayo guys. Nagunahan ang katamaran sa katawan natin. Yan. So, ito tayo ngayon guys. Slow lang tayo muna. Kasi nga, ang tagal natin exercise. Yung harap ng yung view ko guys is tennis court. Yan. Nakaka 3 minutes pa lang tayo. So, mga 5 minutes lang to start with. Kasi nga, natin biglayin yung ating katawan. can change it, guys, to your preferred weight. Yan guys, tapos na yung ating gym. Medyo, ano ba yung pakiramdam ko? Medyo parang lumakas. Diba? Tapos mag-shower pa tayo ng maligamgam. Diba? Ang sarap. Yan, may swimming pool. Let's have coffee. Katapos mag-gym, dito sa cafe naman. Kape lang. Iba yung pakiramdam. Parang super, hindi ko magiging na down, low, whatever. Anything. I don't know how you call it. It's weird feeling. I've never been so like that. I'm usually lively, happy person, and makulit. Ito pala pag ano na, pag over 40, something like that. Thank you, dear. Look at this cappuccino with a heart. Yeah. It's only in Elamar. So, I like I don't know what happened to my nails. I wish I can bring my nanay here. I miss my nanay so much. But it's hard. Sarap ng coffee niya ha. Ang galing itong makain na tumagawa ng coffee. I love the coffee. Makikita mong marunong yung barista gumawa ng coffee pag masarap yung coffee. Minsan, masyadong mapait. Hindi sila marunong mag-blend. Something like that. See? Thank you. And my breakfast is here, guys. Here we go. Let's jump up. Jump up. Ang laki naman, grabe. Let's use up our matcha. Kasi hindi ko siya nagamit gawa ng annual ba. So, para siyang sarap na. I don't care. I'm not social. Aminin na natin, mahirap ako. Di ba meron pa silang kumpletos? Knife and then fork. I don't think I need those. Sa mga social lang yan. Diba? Sarap guys. So, protein. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ubus ko na guys yung coffee ko. Okay, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, I'm back at home. Nakapag-gym na. Naka-lorky.